Hi, my name is Frederick Beck, and in my most recent trip to Thailand, guys, I was fortunate enough to come across this Malayan crate trying to eat a sunbeam snake. They're snake eaters, so it's a natural food. Elliot actually found it, and this is what this video is gonna be about. I am the Bavarian Herper. Okay guys, so first some facts. Malayan crate is an extremely venomous snake. They are neurotoxic, so it attacks your nervous system. Up to about 50% of their bites are fatal, sometimes even if treated in the hospital.